I just had my second best month in the year after losing every single trade I took in February. You know, trading can be so annoying and rewarding at the same time. I've been profitable for years now, but what happened in February come as a very big shocker. I went from confidence to wondering whether am I still profitable. But you know what, guys, I'm back. All I did to get back to making money was, first, I stuck to my strategy. Now, back in the years when the market shakes me this way, I learned something else. But I stuck to it through thick and thin. Two, I accepted losses. At some point, I became numb to the losses. I literally lost 14 trades in a row in February. I become numbed when I got to the 10th loss. I was like, okay, I don't care anymore. Just kept trying to do the right thing. Three, I refused approaching the market mechanically alone, because one thing I realized is if you decide to limit your thinking or your method to a certain way, you realize that you could be fighting the order flow or trend sometimes. So sometimes I want to look at the higher time frames. I want to see how these pairs are reacting and how other pairs are also reacting that are correlating with it. Sometimes I just try to gauge disadvantage and advantage of why I'm going to go in with my setup. It just makes me have a higher chance of winning. I reduced risk when I was less confident. The truth is that your losing streak is going to be much more painful when all your losses are of the same risk or even increased risk over time. The best is when you start to feel scared, you start to feel afraid. Dropping down your risk will start making you numb to the feeling. But I know it's kind of hard because you'll be like, so how am I going to recover all my losses if my risk is actually small? But well, do you care about making money or surviving? Trading is all about surviving first before making money. At some point, after 5 wins in a row in this match, I reduced my risk because I've understood the patterns that if I win 5 times in a row, the 6 is most likely a loss. I dropped my risk to quarter of usual risk. After that 6th trade, the next 2 trades, I also will reduce my risk because I know the losing streak might last a bit. And then after the next 3 trades, after the 5 wins, then I get back to normal risk. And I also do this for losses. In losses, I drop my risk. After 5 losses in a row, I drop my risk till I get my first win and then get back to normal risk. If you're struggling to be consistently profitable, my YouTube link is in bio to watching all my videos. You can adapt my strategy, is there for free. I would love to see everybody here win.